Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leah Macharia. I'm coming live from Africa, Kenya, Nairobi to be specific. I'm in the village now guys, as you can see. I'm in the village. This is my home guys. Welcome guys, and welcome yet to another video. Welcome to today's video guys. And we are here with Doreen. As you can see, she is right there. So guys, if you see this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that notification button, so anytime I upload a new video, you are able to see it guys. So yes guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can see many videos guys. Right now I'm about to do some laundry right here. As you can see, I've soaked some clothes. Right here. As you can see guys, I want to do some laundry. Yes guys, today the weather is quite fine, unlike yesterday. Yesterday it was raining heavily in the morning, and I was not able to do laundry yesterday guys. So welcome guys, welcome to yet another video. Yes, welcome guys, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscription button so to see many videos from this village guys. This is Kenya, Nairobi guys, but right now I'm in my village. Yes, this village in the county guys. I'm in the county, Muranga County. Yes, welcome guys. This is our kitchen right here. So hello guys, let's do the laundry. Let's do the laundry guys. Okay, let's do the laundry. Yes, I always do this laundry very fast. Yes.
Gafuni one uri kwa ito. Eti urauma haha. Wa ote ugi. Heno gitigo oyo.
So guys, let me finish, then I will talk to you later on. I'm done, guys, with rinsing. Yes, my friends, I'm done with the rinsing. So guys, I'm done with the rinsing. Now I'll take these clothes to the clothes line. You can see where I was rinsing from. Like them, these are my legs, guys. So continue watching this video until the end. So hello guys, now I'm putting the clothes. As you can see, I've brought them here so that I can put them on the clothes line right there. I have to put some, and I'll just continue putting them on the cloth line as I go. Let me put you here, guys. I hope you can see me all. Ada upewa ijina na susumi sina na mkakuwa. So guys, I'm here now. I set you somewhere else because there it was not focusing. Now I'm here. Nitaenda ikine kwanza. Ngoja nimalize. Wachana na guo. So guys, Lynn wants some mango. Some orange. This is orange. I take a break to come and give her this orange. Okay, mom, kuja, come. Trying to tell her to come. That's me out there. Come. He really likes the oranges. Guys, buy Rin oranges. More oranges here. She likes them. We are also cooking githeri, guys, here. As you can see, this is githeri cooking. So we eat after I finish my laundry. I'll just come and eat githeri, guys. So guys, continue watching this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and also hit the like button, guys, and also support this channel through anything. We are open for any support, guys. Yes, guys, you can support me through my number. I always leave a number there in my bio, in my description. You can support us or support this channel in any way, guys, in any way that you feel like, guys. So continue watching this video until the end. Make sure you like and subscribe. Utanishie? Lynn is enjoying the mangoes, guys. She wants another. Umeweza? Taweza kukula hivyo? So guys, now I want to rinse them, then I finish. I have finished now doing the loundary. Thank you guys for watching, guys, and watch this video until the end, guys. Let me keep you here so you can join me when I'm doing the rinsing part. Guys, this is what I'm going to use right now. This is what I'm going to use to rinse them. Put them in the light here. This is how we do it here in Africa, guys. Rinse clothes. Most of them are rinse clothes. Here you rinse, very nice because water is in plenty. You rinse them well. In a very nice manner. Just like as you can see, guys. Like that, my friends. Like that. Let me finish, guys, then I will see you later on. Another idea, guys. We are washing clothes together. Yes, I finished the laundry, guys. That's rain over there. It's our village, guys. Our kitchen coop. As you can see. Meeting Githeri after a long day. This is Githeri here in Africa. Guys, Githeri for you. Yes, and the weather is so dull today. You can see.